Hi, Nikki at nikkihaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our cooking series. Tonight we're going to be working on a Christmas side dish using the Instant Pot, so hopefully that'll save you some time. So we're going to be making creamy bacon Brussels sprouts. Let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. So we're ready to start our creamy bacon Brussels sprouts. What we've done is we've set the Instant Pot to saute and we've waited for it to get hot. We've melted about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And now we're going to add our diced bacon. And we're just going to cook that till it's nice and brown. So our bacon is ready. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use a slotted spoon to remove it from the Instant Pot. And then we're going to add in our Brussels and garlic. Now that we've removed our bacon and set that aside, we're going to add in our Brussels sprouts into the bacon drippings and butter that's left in the Instant Pot. And we're going to saute those for about 1 minute. So we've sauteed our Brussels sprouts for about 1 minute. Now we're just going to turn the Instant Pot off. We're just going to hit cancel. We're going to add in our other ingredients. So we've got our garlic, salt and pepper, our chicken broth, and our cream cheese. Give that a bit of a stir. Now we're going to put the lid on. Make sure that this is set to seal, and it is. And we're going to pressure cook for 2 minutes. And then once that 2-minute pressure cook is done, we're going to do a quick release. So our pressure cook is complete on our Brussels sprouts. So we're going to flip the valve to vent and do a quick release. So the pin is dropped and it's vented, so it's safe to remove our lid. Now we're just going to give it a quick stir and get the cream cheese all melted in. Okay, so once you've done that, you can add your diced bacon. And mix that in. And then you can move them into a serving dish. Here is our creamy bacon Brussels sprouts. So Brussels sprouts is a family tradition for holidays in my house, and this is a way that it's guaranteed that your family's going to love them. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe can be found in the description of the video, and if you leave us any questions or comments, we'll get back to you. Thanks so much for joining us today. See you next time.